Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel macchiato at home. Start by pulling 2 shots of espresso and warming 8 ounces of milk until steaming. Froth the milk to a silky texture and pour slowly over ice if desired. Drizzle caramel sauce inside the glass and on top for sweetness. Layer espresso over milk for the signature marbled look and enjoy immediately for best flavor. Gather ingredients before you begin so the process stays smooth and relaxed. Measure 2 shots of espresso, 8 ounces of milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of caramel. Have ice ready if you plan an iced version, and keep a spoon for drizzling. Warm and froth the milk to a silky consistency while the espresso is prepared. This simple staging makes assembly quick and consistent for great results. Begin by pulling 2 shots of espresso and setting them aside. Heat 8 ounces of milk and froth until you have a smooth microfoam for a creamy texture. Drizzle caramel sauce inside the glass before adding milk to help the caramel cling to the sides. Pour milk gently, then slowly pour espresso to form the marbled top layer. Finish with a caramel drizzle and a gentle stir if you prefer uniform sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.